Place yourself in an inclined seated position. Now hold 2 dumbbells and let your hands hanging down. In a single motion, bring both dumbbells up and then down while maintaining pressure on your bicep. Keep repeating this process. Lie on a flat bench and hold 2 dumbbells in your hands. Now bring your arms just below your waist and bring them up as shown in the video. Keep repeating this exercise. Again, place yourself in an inclined seated position. Now hold 2 dumbbells and let your hands hanging down. In a single motion, bring both dumbbells up and then down, while without twisting your wrists and maintaining pressure on your bicep. Keep repeating this process. Stay in this inclined seated position while holding both dumbbells and letting your hands hanging down. In a single motion, bring both dumbbells up and then down while keeping your wrists in a hammering position and maintaining pressure on your bicep. Keep repeating this motion. Perform another bicep dumbbell curl, now while in a standing position. Keep the pressure on your bicep and keep repeating this process.
You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows mean. He gets claws real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling this war, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject.
You have completed your workout. If you enjoyed your workout session, don't forget to like and subscribe for more workouts.